Hello friends, Jeffy here and welcome to my corner and welcome to another Quick Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to show you a real quick tip of how to apply superglue. Now we're all familiar with the tools that are out there. We have superglue applicators, but if you don't have one close by or they're harder to get, then what I always like, and it's always worked for me and still does, is using a round knife like an x-acto blade like this. I think it's a number 10. So these always worked very well for me, and I usually don't grab anything else than just this if I have to apply at least a serious amount of superglue. So if you apply some superglue to the tip of the blade, because of the round shape of the blade, the superglue will find an easier way to channel itself to the area where you have to apply. So all you need to do is put some superglue on a piece of paper or on a piece of plastic sheet, apply some superglue to the tip of the blade, and then just hold it over the seam and then just guide it along the seam itself. And of the shape of the blade, the superglue will have a lot easier way to slide off the blade onto your model, and then you can almost have a perfect kind of a bead of glue on your model. And always make sure before you apply the superglue that you either use a new blade or that you clean it up. So let's do this again. Put some superglue on the blade and point it on the seam and then just gently guide it along the seam. And then you have a nicely even application of your glue. Takes a little bit of practice, but still I prefer these round knives over any application or any glue application that are out there, and it's very easy to come by, very easy to clean, and again, it's very easy to apply. So that was it for the tip for today. Hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to like and share us on Facebook. And of course, most importantly, please go to our website at www.jeffycornerstore.com for all your future purchases. But for now, that was it. Jeffy here, signing off.